What's going on, guys? Jake Teaser with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Today we've got some breaking news. The Shelby Hertz GT500 photos have just been released from Hertz. We're going to go through all the photos. There's something about this car, though, that is completely unique to the previous generation. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. This car is going to be 1,000 horsepower. They've literally added a Whipple supercharger to this car, and they state on the website that it's going to be 900 rear wheel horsepower. This is insane for a rental car. This is this is incredible that they're actually doing this, and they're going to rent this to people. I'm not so sure, but let's check out all the details about this in the video. Let's get started. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for the latest Mustang and automotive news. You might also want to check out our 2021 Mustang Mach 1 that we just got with the handling package. So we've got a lot of videos of that. Check those out as well. Let's get started. Okay, so we've got a Shelby GT500 with a Whipple, basically. It's 900 rear wheel horsepower. Now, if you look back at the 2016 was a really good looking car. This was like the second year that the first year was 2015 of that new body style, the S550 Mustang. But in 2016, Hertz produced this rental car. It was black with the gold vinyl that they used, and it was really a good looking gold color with the black, and the whole car just put together looked amazing. Well, the only thing with that vehicle, there was no upgrades to the engine. It was a 435 horsepower 6-speed automatic vehicle. Those weren't the fastest cars from the factory compared to today with the upgraded engine, the 10-speed automatic. It's not as fast. It really can't compare to this latest Hertz Shelby GT500. There's no comparison whatsoever. The Shelby GT500 has a 760 from the factory. The GT500 is 760 horsepower with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. The Hertz is going to be 1,000 horsepower, 900 rear wheel horsepower. This is like insane. They're using a Whipple supercharger. So the 2016 essentially had some exterior things, and don't get me wrong, it's actually a really good looking car. It's this black with the vinyl, and everything looked really good on the car. But the thing was, it only really had a Ford Performance exhaust, so they made it sound good and they made it look good. The 2022 Shelby Hertz GT500 is a completely different vehicle. It actually has the 760 horsepower plus the Whipple, so you're talking 1,900 rear wheel horsepower to 1,000 horsepower. Okay, let's go ahead and look at some of the other things that make the Shelby Hertz GT500 different aside from just the engine. Exclusive custom-made design. The Shelby GT500H will be set off with gold Le Mans, dual racing stripes, and a set of special rocker stripes, along with Hertz Edition and Shelby 60th anniversary emblems. Inside, the Shelby and Hertz logos are on the seats, leather seats recovers, which you could see those. The seats actually look really nice. Sill plates and floor mats. A numbered badge will also be on the dash and under the hood. The supercharger on the Shelby GT500H is gold, hued for Hertz livery, which I really like the Hertz gold. They were using yellow in like the 2011 to 2014 Mustangs. The bronze looks so much better. Reinventing the wheel, and I'm assuming this is a typo on their website. The Shelby GT500H is decked out with aluminum, they say forger, monoblock wheels. I'm assuming they're forged. The stunning wheel captures everything about the original with a modern flair, while still improving on performance aspects. The black powder-coated wheels are built with lightweight, strong, one-piece 6061 T6 forged aluminum. Commemorating Shelby America's 60th anniversary, an individually numbered badge will be included in our collection's dashboard to highlight the history of the exclusive Shelby and Hertz partnership that spans miles and decades. Okay, introducing a new collection of Americana. Get your adrenaline pumping. We invite you to get in the driver's seat of the new limited edition Shelby Mustangs. These iconic pieces of Americana are exclusively coming to select locations this summer. In the meantime, get a closer look at these custom vehicles designed for Hertz and learn more about our history partnership with Shelby. Unleash the power of a true legend and immerse yourself in a ride to remember. Let's go. An American powerhouse, Mustang Shelby GT500H, coming soon. All the models will be instantly recognizable with the unique styling enhancement that celebrate a rich performance heritage. 19 of the Shelby GT500H fastbacks will wear shadow black exterior paint, and 6 will be clad in white. So they're going to produce 19 of these Shelby GT500H fastbacks. There's going to be 6 that are going to be white. I'm assuming 13 black. The Shelby GTH fastbacks and convertibles will be available in rapid red, metallic, Oxford white, carbonized gray, and shadow black exterior paint. The Shelby GTH fastbacks and convertibles will be available in rapid red, metallic, Oxford white, carbonized gray, and shadow black exterior paint. So they're going to produce also the regular Shelby GT. It's not all going to be GT500s. They're going to have the GT and the GTH, which I'm really happy about that because I love the GTH also. And as you can see, this convertible looks super good. So 450 rear wheel horsepower from the GTH. So this is an upgraded Mustang GT, probably an intake and exhaust. Now, just looking at the outside of the Ford Shelby GTH, I do see some winglets on the front bumper, a different upper and lower grille, a different hood. I do see vinyl stripes. I do see rocker panel striping. I see aftermarket wheels. I do see an aftermarket wing. I do see a convertible roll bar. I do see stitching on the headrest, and I'm assuming it's also going to have seat covers and different floor mats, probably a different exhaust system, intake system, and rear bumper. And the GT8 is a beautiful looking car. The GTH is a really good looking Mustang GT convertible. The white with the drop top looks really good. All right, let's look at their post that they posted on Twitter. Let's look at the video real quick. I'm just going to let that play for you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest automotive news, Mustang and automotive news. Also check out the 2021 Mustang Mach-1 with the handling package videos we've been doing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.